Okay, these are a couple of pieces here that I actually won some awards with. This first is made out of Paduke and walnut. This vase, which is about 12 inches tall, won a third place ribbon at the North Carolina State Fair in the amateur department. Should have been a first place. And this lamp here is made out of the wormy chestnut. This lamp won a first prize in the Cleveland County Fair, Cleveland County in Shelby, North Carolina. But it's got lots of interesting features. It's got, you can see some of the wormholes in it. Some of the nail holes, that's a nail hole there, nail rusted over time in the wood. Like I say, this wood was probably at least 100 years old. And this is the check I got from North Carolina from the state fair. Huge amount, $8. That's the lamp that I turned. I didn't turn the shade. I'd like to be able to do that. A few more items to go. I'll be right back.